Okay, I continue on the lesson. So here I have another function which is 2x squared minus 7x, but it's under radical. If I have y equal radical x, it is x power 1 over 2, and y prime is 1 over 2 x power 1 over 2 minus 1, which is 1 over 2 x power minus 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2 radical x. Okay, but right now I don't have that. I have something else. So I have u. U is 2x squared minus 7x. Okay, so I do y equal 2x squared minus 7x power 1 over 2. Okay, so y prime is 1 over 2, the same as there. Okay, sorry, I have to change this. Okay, 2x squared minus 7x power 1 over 2 minus 1. Okay, the same as this one, which is, sorry, times derivative of inside. Derivative of inside, which is derivative of u. Okay, u prime. You have to multiply with u prime. So when you have x, yes, you just follow the formula. But when you have something else, that's u. So you have to times with u prime. So y prime is 1 over 2, 2x squared minus 7x power minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2 times 4x minus 7. Okay, which is derivative of inside. See, this is this one together. Okay, so now I simplify it. So it is 1 over 2 radical 2x squared minus 7x. Yes, see, compare. So this one and this one, this one and this one, and times derivative of inside, which is 4x minus 7, u prime. So you think there is no u, follow the formula. This is the formula. When there is no u, then you have to substitute u. See, I substitute this for x, okay, this guy, and then times with u prime. U prime is derivative of inside, so you have 2 times with that. Okay, now you continue here. So here you have x plus 1 power minus 1 over 2. Yes, so if you have y 1 over radical x, what happened? So it is x power minus 1 over 2, right? Yes, step by step. So y prime is minus 1 over 2 x power minus 1 over 2 minus 1, which is minus 1 over 2 x power minus 3 over 2, which is minus 1 over 2 this, right? So 2 is the coefficient. So far so good. So now I don't have that. I have u, and u is x plus 1. I know it's just x plus 1, but it still is not x. Okay, so I do y is 1 over radical x plus 1, which is x plus 1 power minus 1 over 2. Y prime is minus 1 over 2. See, instead of x power, so I have x plus 1 this. Okay, so I have that, I have this, sorry, I have to, yeah, this one, yes, okay, and then I times with derivative of u or u prime. But surprisingly here, when I do derivative of u, which is inside, it's just 1. Okay, so this is just 1. So y prime is minus 1 over 2 radical x plus 1 power 3, yes, and times 1. So I don't need to write it. Okay, so this is 1, because derivative of x plus 1 is 1. Yes, So this is the answer here. And then I can continue. If you find any mistake, just email me. Okay, so then I can continue here. It is y equal that. So y prime is what? See, if I have x squared, y prime is 2x. Yeah? So we all know that. Very easy. But here I don't have x squared. I have something else squared. So y prime is 2. Instead of x, I have 3x power 5 plus 2x power 1. Okay, so this is this and this. This is this and this. And then times derivative of u. U is 3x power 5 plus 2x. Okay, so now find the answer. Y prime is 2 times 3x power 5 plus 2x, derivative of inside, which is 15x power 4 plus 2, right? Derivative of inside. So this one is this one. Derivative of this is here. Okay? So then my recommendation, multiple 2 with this guy. Always multiple 2 with u prime, or I mean always multiple the coefficient with u prime. Because maybe for the other one you have power. Here doesn't matter because it's power 1. I mean here. Okay? So now I continue here. Okay, if I have y equal x power 3, you say y prime is 3x squared. But here you don't have that. You have something else power 3. So y prime is 1.5, sorry, 3, that's something else, which is u power 2 multiple u prime. So what is u here? 1.5x squared minus 3, which is 1.5 x squared. Okay. It's very hard on this desk actually. So minus derivative of inside, right? So now see, this one is the same as this one. This one is the same as this one, and then that u prime you have to multiply. Don't forget, u prime always. So then y is 3, 1.5 x squared minus 3 power 2, and then 3x is the answer for u prime. So this is here. This one is here. Okay? Now I continue. So as I said, continue. So do this. It's 9x times 1.5x squared minus 3 squared. You don't need to expand. You don't need to go further. Okay? So here. How about this? Okay, good. If I have y equal x squared, y prime is 2x. I know. But I don't have that. I have something else squared. So now, what is something else? U is 4.8 minus 7.2 x power minus 2. This is my u. This is u. So now, u prime is, so y prime is 2 times 4.8 minus 7.2 x power minus 2, which is just power 1. Okay, so this derivative of inside, yes, so which is okay, y prime is 2, 4.8 minus 7.2 x minus 2, right? Derivative of inside is, tell me. I wish you could tell me, okay? So minus 7.2 times minus 2x power minus 3, right? Because it's minus 2, it's n x power n minus 1, and here is minus 2, so minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, so now step by step. Y prime is 2 times 4.8 minus 7.2 x power minus 2 times 14.4, right, divided by x power 3, because it's negative. So negative times negative is positive, and because it's negative power, it can go down and change to a positive. So it is 28.8 because multiple 2. So yes, so yes, this times 4.8 minus 7.2 x power minus 2 divided by x power 3. Okay, so here maybe I can change this a little bit to upper, and then it will be beautiful. So far so good. Okay, so now I go here. Okay, if I have y equal x power 3, y prime is 3x squared. Okay, but I don't have that. I have u here. What is u? Something else. It's not x, it's something else. It's a function. It's another function of x. Okay, so y prime, so here y is this, so y prime is 3. Look at this. Instead of x, I put u squared. I told you I find the answer without u, and then substitute u, and then times u prime, which is derivative of inside. Now I have to continue. Y prime is 3x cubed minus 5 squared times 9x squared, right? Which is 27x squared times 3x cubed minus 5 squared. If you find any mistake, tell me. Unfortunately, I don't have the notes. I mean those solution. Yeah. So here, how about this? Here it's respect to t. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So it's not x. It's okay. It's t. So see, it says independent variable. Independent variable is t. Here independent is not x. It's okay. So here I have v t. This is not f of x. It's fine. These are just symbol. Okay. So what is v prime? So first you have to tell me, if you have x squared, okay, if you have yt equal t squared, what is v prime? V prime is 2t, yes? But you don't have t, you have something else. You have a function of t. 5t squared minus 3t plus 4. So you tell me. Okay, so this is v, yes. Yeah. So for sure you cannot tell me, just tell yourself. Okay, so v prime is, so v prime t is what? 2, yes, see this one and this one, t, but instead of t here I have to have u. Okay, so I change the color. Yeah, it's 5t squared minus 3t plus 4 power 1 times derivative of inside, derivative of v, derivative of u. Here this is u. I'm sorry, here I am a little bit mixing it. Okay, so u. So this is 5t squared minus 3t plus 4 squared. Sorry, prime, derivative of u. Okay, so here I need to do derivative of u. So for this one I continue in the next video. Okay, thank you so much. So here it's 2, so I can do that, and this one is the same as this one. Okay, and then u prime. Okay, that's u prime. This is u here, that's u prime. So I have vt t squared, and then I have v prime 2t, and now I have 2 u prime. So I continue on this.